Respected HR professionals, respected top leaderships in the organization, and all cross-functional position holders from bottom up, top down. In organizations, often the word used by seniors or the HR professionals or the top leadership regarding mentorship. Mentorship has a strong, long legacy across centuries. To give an example, Krishna was a great mentor for Arjuna. If you take this cue across our organization, whether it is small, medium, big, of whatever nature, wherever it is located, even in family, mentorship and role of mentorship prevails. But in actual and in reality, do the organizations or do the individuals even appreciate its necessary in the process of success? Success in career, success in business, success in whatever we do. Today I am going to share the essence of mentorship in organization. Why? It is understood, it is appreciated, it is acknowledged in any form that we have strengths, we have weaknesses, we have limitations, we have individualistic thought process, combination of thought processes, we have a free will where even God does not have any control. So, lot of things are happening in our mental faculty, in our psychology of thinking, in our thought process, which are directly or indirectly impacting on our day-to-day, whatever we are doing, maybe at what level, of what nature, or whatever kind it is. Organizationally, we talk of engagement, we talk of motivation, we talk of culture, lot of things we do, lot of things we talk of. But we talk of mentorship also. But does it really happen? Is a big question. It happens somewhere maybe, but at what level? If mentorship is taken as a tool or instrument for success and practice it religiously, then mentorship can do a miracle in any organization. In this session or today, I am going to share how mentorship helps out the organization in building organizational capability level or in increasing organizational capability level to a height that is necessity plus, because effective mentorship can ensure right retention, build organizational as also individual competencies level, can improve performance, can improve productivity, and can bring organizational vibrancy. In today's dynamic and competitive business environment, nationally or globally, unless an organization is vibrant with its human resources, it may be very difficult for an organization to accelerate at a rate which they might have perceived to achieve or plan to have achieved. Now, leadership, top leadership, HR fraternity, even the business individual or SBU business leaders or divisional business leaders, whatever name we call, they always say it. Give him some mentorship, try to give mentorship. They say it. But does it really happen? Let us ask ourselves. As a senior, he has a mindset. Minds are very unique. He may have a fear psychosis. He may have inferiority complex. He may have superiority complex. He may have selfishness. He may not have time to do it. He may not like the subordinates under him. So on and so forth. Lot of reasons are there for not doing it. And in reality, I am afraid how much really or how much people or how much seniors do it religiously, honestly, dedicatedly, determinedly, so that subordinates grow and at the same time they also grow, because mental blocks, psychological blocks, organizational circumstantial blocks, organizational cultural blocks, organizational leadership blocks, all the blocks are working together and crumbling the entire situation to a halt, that it remains at the saying level but not at doing level, or it remains at thinking level but not on really activated level. So, what organizations has to do? Internally, I am afraid whatever with the organization, whatever we call HRD, HR, this, that, engagement, whatever we call, but all this goes for either balance scorecard scoring or for making some reports or showing something that we are doing this, but nobody measures the effectiveness of it in the business top line and bottom line. Unless it is assessed in the business top line and bottom line, organizational effectiveness measures in numeric value, this remains in the performance, showing parameters and giving some scores to satisfy the management. Maybe in effect there are something benefits, yes, I am not denying that, but even fact remains at what level and how much. So, what organization has to do? To my mind, if your organization externally hires an individual or an expert only for mentoring without any designation, without any level, without any other blocks which have direct link with the organization's reality versus fallacy or structural dilemma. If one individual is kept or engaged as a consultant only for mentoring, and he is given the assignment to mentor from the new entrant to the CMD, probably that will be a good area or good idea to look into, give a deep thought, so that individually and from bottom line to top line or top line to bottom line, if that gentleman gives mentorship, he may not be expert in everything, not necessarily, not needed. What is needed is his experience in various domains, understanding organization, understanding individual, understanding how career grows, understanding how career sustains, understanding how vertical and horizontal growth is happening, can happen. Lot of things are to be taken care of by that individual while giving the mentorship to one individual. So, it is sincere suggestion to the organizations to give focus on the mentorship. I should say right from the top of the organization, why not the owner even? He also needs mentorship. He also needs mentorship in one form or the other. He may be a business tycoon. So what? Does he not limitations? Does he not strengths? Does he not weaknesses? Or is he not failing to perceive something? These are true. It is fact in different degree of different nature. So, mentorship is one which plays a very dominant role across the entire domain of human resources, right from attracting to releasing. My sincere request to organizations, irrespective of the size, nature, whatever, to pay little thought, little emphasis on the mentorship. Probably that will give a lot of return, not in a magical way, but of course over a period of time with a sustainable value. I am ending my session today here. Good day to everybody. If you need a mentor for your organization, please note my number 97488-67381. I repeat 97488-67381 or 933-1932-523. 933-1932-523. Thanks again. Wish your organization grow and grow forever. Thank you.